Babe, you didn't say you got the job without writing anything.
I be like person will go write something. Eh? With this my olodo head. This empty conco. No, I don't write anything, no. I'll be only right fire.
Thank God you know say your head na concom head.
Babe, don't be smart, no. He get one guy we won't defeat me that deal. Hey, the guy too notebook die. Over Sabi won't worry the guy.
You mean now?
I dey tell you. He won't defeat me, but I no let am. If no be say, the manager they eye me, they give me green light. Babe, I for no collect that job. Now that guy, now for collect that job full time.
Mad.
I dey tell you, I no sabi anything now. The guy too know, he be wizard.
They put computer for your head.
Hey, if they won't put here then, just put the computer inside the head like this. I dey tell you.
My sister,
I really be so.
At least make you chest for your new car now, your new job now.
I dey tell you. You know, easy to get motor. Hey.
So this one now, no be God did it. Now your kwekus did it.
My sister, I use a raw body now. My kwekus now did it. Hey. You expect me I carry this thing now? Enter that place, come and empty and then they play.
Oh God,
me.
Where I know this girl from?
My sister, no, if I Winnie, you don't see me, no one greets me.
Right. Excuse me.
So how are you now? Fine girl. See a shit. Must see a shit. Sister girl.
Hold on, dear. My sister and my investment, no spoil her for me. She never reach.
No be small thing. No be small investment.
She my investment, I bet no spoil her. No carry your own. Can't spoil my own for me, I bet. Babe, matter the ground. There's something I want to tell you.
What's it be that? What happened?
Some months back, I went shopping with my younger sister and my mother.
Okay.
Guess who I bumped into?
Who you see? You know, so I'm not good at guessing.
Try guess now.
You know I'm not good. Please tell me now.
My ex-boyfriend.
Eh?
Hey!
You say?
I'm telling you, my ex-boyfriend. Babe, we got talking, one thing led to another, we exchanged contact. You know now. Before I could say Jack, we don't do one for hotel.
Fire they go.
Don't take one mouth, oh my dear.
Fire they go, my girl. My sister, body no be firewood. Huh? Yeah?
You too like batting.
Body no be waiting. Firewood.
Now batting that they see you there. But that will not be my problem. Oh. The main matter now, the main problem now be say, I don't want to do again. I told him that I want this relationship to end. We should just end it because I don't even know how we got connected back. The chemistry, everything just came back to normal as if we never even broke up.
You don't mean it?
I'm telling you, babe. I told him, I said I want us to quit because I'm getting married. But God said no. He refused. He said this relationship will continue until he says otherwise.
No be smart, you know. So what you go do now?
I don't know, my dear. I'm confused.
How long your guy go take come back?
He said, I think he'll be back in 3 months' time.
3 months' time?
Yes.
Come make advice you, my friend. See, as your guy never prepared to come back like this, you see this one now where you did with, grab your copy. He says my hand like this, grab her. Make I tell you, make sure say you dey enjoy her. Because you know go see this kind of opportunity next time. Oh. I dey tell you the honest truth, but you no be firewood. As they tell me now, saying they carry you, they go cloud nine, your leg they shake, they vibrate. Enjoy you before your fiancé go come back. Because if you come back, your leg no go shake again.
Why you no go shake again?
You know what they carry big.
I beg you. Like no, but you know say this one a marriage. I want this serious. The thing they be saying. I don't know how that Jerry boy they do this thing. Jerry Anderson, bad boy. Like, I don't know the places he touches. My G-spot. Guy, that guy, they finish me. They finish me.
He said his name is
Jerry Anderson. He lives at Sunrise Estate, babe. Hey, that guy in a machine. Forget him.
Don't be smart, you know. Hey, have fun, babe. Wait till you get for house. mean, I'm very, very hungry, I swear to God.
They just want stress.
Are they very hungry, oh?
Ikenna, what nonsense are you talking about? Are you insulting me or something? No, tell me, are you insulting me? That I should put aside my degree and go work as a gate man?
What are you talking? Eh? What are you saying?
I don't blame you.
Okay, you prefer going back to the village to stay with your grandmother. Is that what you want? See, in this city, nobody cares what you are doing. If you're a gate man, if you're a plumber, nobody cares. What matters is the dough, the money. 50K.
You're not even asking me to go work with a company or something. You're asking me to work as a gate man. How? Are you insulting me?
My friend.
A degree holder?
Forget that one. You
go
chop him. You go chop him. Forget this degree, the way they shut up at that. What matters here is that you are going to mingle with the rich. If you go to the village now, nobody go see your forehead say, yes, so this person now gets money, they work for city. Nobody. Calm down. Go collect this work. Collect this money. Ha.
I don't blame you now. I don't blame you. No, it's fine. Keep insulting me. And I'm going. I'll see you later now.
You don't want to drink this drink again?
I'm not in the mood.
If I talk now, man, no buy am now. But I realize you know they get meat again for you. How do?
I wish your shop. They say that I go see you.
You don't see her now. Now you are there.
They enjoy.
Nah.
Hey, how far your father? I never hear anything from you. You never tell me anything. How far? Waiting they saw.
The matter don't tire me. You don't tire me. I don't tire. I swear.
I don't understand. Waiting they happen. Waiting they really happen.
Imagine doctor say make her bring 500,000. We are keep him.
500,000.
Yes, now we are get 500,000 now. Ha. Man, I want not tire me.
This one's serious, so.
He over serious, so. I don't call my guy way there abroad. I even tell him about it. Since that time, I tell this guy this thing. You know they pick my call again.
Hi. Don't worry, eh? Everything will do alright.
Sure, don't worry, mama.
I won't go mechanic. My keke dey there. My key starter get small issue. I won't go pick them up.
Oh yeah, now what do you?
See, may you no worry. Nothing go happen to your father.
No.
Everything go do alright.
Everything go do. Can I just money go come?
No worry, money go come.
I know that one.
Oh yeah, nah, no wahala.
Oh yeah, now.
Take care.
No problem. No?
Alright.
Go well.
No wahala.
My grandson.
Mama?
Some advice can sound so unreasonable to you, especially when it is not for your success. Your friend Ikenna has a very good point. A solid one for that matter.
Mama, allow me eat this food, please. Just allow me eat my food.
Oh. Eat your food, but think of it. Oh. Think of it. Because some blessings come in disguise.
These guys?
Yes.
What these guys, Mama? To become a gate man? To work as a gate man? Mama, please. Mama, do you know how painful it is to put aside my certificate of high repute and I start doing menial jobs? Do you know how disrespectful and disgraceful that is? It's totally unacceptable, Mama.
You see all these lizards you see around. Some of them lie flat on their stomach, on the floor, and some on the wall. You hardly can differentiate which of them has running stomach or stomach ache. So, my son, come down from your high horse and take up this job not minding your educational qualification.
Yeah.
In Anuya.
Mama, keep brainwashing me. Brainwash me. Brainwash me. Keep brainwashing me.
An idle mind is the devil's workshop. And have baked beans is better than having nothing. You know. Okay. So, my son, use your senses. In Anuya.
But Mama, I'm using my senses now. Eh? If I have not been using my senses, will I come out with the type of result I came out with?
My grandson, you better think well.
Ikenna was right. One can work as a gateman and make it big in the city tomorrow. But it's a lot of work. I have to pretend as if I didn't go to school. Man. I have to pretend not to be a degree holder. It's a lot of work. Well, like my grandmother would say, half baked beans is better than none. I'll give it a try.
Yes, no problem. You have to do it. You have to do it. When you come back to Nigeria, we'll discuss about it. Yes. Okay, about the house. I've given her the house. And she highly appreciative of it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, your mother is good part. Yeah, the company is okay, fine. There's no problem. It's all right. Okay, you're coming soon. No problem. It's okay. Thank you, my son. Manager. Okay, manager, I was about calling you. Yes, I would like to see you in my house this evening. Please, don't fail. It's okay.
Ikenna, I can hear you. Ikenna, you said she's a woman, Abi? No, I said the person I'm going to work for is a woman, right? And no problem, I accept, I'll do the job. Ikenna, my job is to open and close the gate, right? No problem. See, I just want to leave this village. Ikenna, I am not a small boy now. So I totally understand you. I heard you. I've heard you. I'm going to do it. I'll take the job. I accept. Yes. Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Who is Emilia? Huh?
Calm down, Jenny. What is the problem?
You have not answered my question. Who is Emilia to you? I tapped your contact from her phone. Is she your ex-girlfriend or something? Don't lie to me. Who is she to you?
Jenny, Emilia is not my ex-girlfriend, okay? She's my current girlfriend. And how come you know about her?
She's also my girlfriend. Oh yes, she's my friend. You can't be sleeping with two friends at a time.
But Jenny, you know our situation. You know how we met. So why all this?
Is that why you're going to cheat? Is that why you cheat? Huh, Jerry? See, let me tell you something. You cannot sleep with two best friends. She's my friend from university. We shared the same bed.
Did you just say university?
Oh, yes.
So you mean you went to university and you can't even spell correctly? You know, Emilia will be so ashamed of you. It's a disgrace that someone that went to university can't even write and spell correctly. Please, I have something to do, okay? I'm not here for all.
Do you know Emilia is getting married to our boss's son? Do you know that? Remember, let me tell you something. Your job is at stake here. If you don't stay away from Emilia, you see your job, you're going to lose it.
This is so funny. So all of a sudden now you care about me. Babe, why are you catching feelings? We know what we are doing, okay? Stop catching feelings, okay? We are just having fun here and nothing more.
Really?
You are here for work and let it be like that, okay?
No problem. Fine. But just remember, your job is at stake here.
The door, please. Crazy girl. Someone that can't even spell correctly. That's it.
So,
Please just take a good look at what Jennifer dropped on my table. If I should submit this file, this company will be a laughingstock.
Chantel, don't worry about this, okay? I will handle it. You can leave now, please.
And the MD has been calling. If I should answer the call, I don't think I'll be able to answer what he will definitely ask.
Chantel, I will handle these issues, okay? Just leave, please.
You're the one Ikenna recommended.
Yes, ma'am.
Did he tell you what you're supposed to be doing? Like the job you're being called for?
Security officer. Gateman.
He did.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you look really good to be a gatesman. You look quite handsome to be a gatesman.
Huh?
I mean, you speak so well, but you look too good to be a gatesman.
Madam, are you mocking me?
No, I'm not. I actually know what I'm saying. You look too good to be a gatesman.
Madam, I don't look too good though. The truth is I used to be a farmer before. I've done so many menial jobs. I've worked as a farmer, I've worked as a bus conductor, but just that I tried to, buy some farm equipment and I could not raise the money. I decided to do something else. Yes.
Your qualification. What are your qualifications?
Huh?
I mean, your school,
Man, do I need that to get a job? A security job?
What are your qualifications?
Sorry, man. I have WAEC SSCE.
WAEC.
Yes, WAEC.
Okay. I'm going to put a call across to my friend. Then I'll give you her details. And my friend is beautiful. And she's got a sister. She's quite beautiful as well. So you just go, you do your job. You do your job exactly. That's it. Don't mess things up.
Of course, madam. I'm just going to do my job and leave. I don't intend to mess things up. I will not do anything to disappoint you, I promise. Besides, I'm a very good Christian. No. I'll just focus on my job, do my job, and get paid. That's all.
What's your job again?
Ma?
What's your job again?
Chief,
what are you supposed to be doing?
Security officer.
Secure what?
Security officer to guide the compound.
A gate man.
A gate man, sorry. Gate man, yes.
Okay now. Yes. I'll need us to have lunch together today. Listen, we need to talk. Yes, we really need to. If you disappoint me, I won't be happy with you. You know that, right? I won't really be happy because I need you to see me today. That's it. Please, yes. Thank you. Okay, Mildred, what's happening with you? What's happening to you? What's happening to you? This guy is just a vulcanizer. What is wrong with you? A demeaning job. Okay. I'll just upgrade him, tush him up a bit, and my dad will accept him. That's what I'm going to do. Mildred, you're falling in love. You're in love, you're in love.
Maybe call you to take care of for lunch.
I don't want the importance of my health, the importance. What's even happen? What's happen for one get back?
What's happen? You're supposed to ask baby now. We drag passengers. You don't know the importance. How you feeling now?
We do on there. And the money I will take pay in hospital we are paying for.
Dikeh.
What's that?
No, 150,000. Use out to the one you get, so if you see I will take safe Popsy life.
No, I don't think take this one from me, I beg. Take. You when they hustle, the why they hustle. I beg, take.
Wait, but tell me say you no go fit take am from me, Kena. You know as I take get this money. You know as I take suffer get this money. Money when I take as loan for our cooperative office. Now they tell me say you no go fit take am. Abi your father life no dey important.
See why you tell people my problem. I don't make you go collect loan.
Leave am. Na me collect the loan. Na me know as I go take pay the loan. Your father life dey important. Won't find me save your father in the talk this one. Leave am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your phone dey ring.
I'll do that one. Not the importance now. Thank you.
What's your name and where are you from?
Ma?
I said, what's your name and where are you from?
Oh, okay. My name is Echezona, aka Agbo Turumbe. I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria.
Where precisely?
Ma?
Where precisely?
Abia State. God's own state.
What's your educational qualification?
Secondary school and primary school.
And you think you can secure this compound?
100%.
Guide my gate?
I'll satisfy you, ma.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma.
Sister, what do you think?
He's good. Since he says he can do it, let's give him the benefit of doubt. Hence, his sister, Mildred.
Listen, young man.
Ma.
You don't come here to look handsome.
Handsome? No, I'm here to walk, oh. I'm not here to look handsome, oh. I can't do that.
I don't condone any form of nonchalant attitude or stupidity right here.
responsibility.
Just so you'll be guided.
Be guided. But ma, I came to guide you, not you to guide me. Sorry, ma.
Your job starts now.
Now?
Yes.
Ah.
Before I forget, your salary and your food, all on me. Your feeding, everything on me.
Thank you very much. But, sorry, ma, how much is the salary? Sorry, ma.
Sister, take him to the security post. His uniform and every other thing he'll be needing are all there.
Okay.
Yes. Sorry, ma. Excuse me, ma. Please, don't be offended. Did you say you'll be giving me food to eat? Because I don't joke with that part. It's very important to me, please. Thank you. Please, you don't have dog, right? You have dog?
No.
Okay.
What is wrong with you, Jenny? My job is at stake as we speak. My boss summoned me to a meeting because of the leakage in your department. What is going on, Jenny? Why are you so dull and empty?
I'm so sorry. I promise I'm going to sit up. I will learn. I promise.
You want to learn? Jenny, this is not a school. You should have been taught all this in school. What is going on? I don't even know how I got here. How did I even employ you? God! Hi!
Please, I'm sorry. Please, now. If you fire me now, I'll be a dead person. Please don't fire me. I beg you, please.
God.
I promise. See, I'm going to sit up this time around. I promise you that.
Jenny, my job is on the line. I could lose my job because of this, and you're telling me this. God.
Please, no. Please, I beg you, please. You cannot fire me. If you fire me, I'll be a dead person.
Jenny, see, you're just driving me crazy, Jenny. I just need to cool off my head right now. Jenny, just come to me. Let's just do this right now, please. Jenny, just...
We can't do this.
I need to cool off my head.
We can't do this with this.
Why?
No, you're not in the right frame of mind right now.
Jenny, just give me this thing now, please. Jenny.
No, I can't do this here with you. Please, I'm sorry. After work, I promise I will give you the whole style in this ward. Okay?
It's okay. I just want to be left alone, please. I have a lot going on.
Does that mean that you'll not fire me again?
Jenny, I said I want to be left alone. Okay? I will think about that.
I don't want to take any risk. It's okay, please. Let me give it to you. Yes, please.
Okay. Good morning.
Echezeno,
Ma?
come here.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
Have you had breakfast?
I don't understand.
Ma?
Starting when?
I was just checking up on her, ma.
As what? Are you mad?
No, ma.
Is this your job?
No.
Now take this, get to the car right now.
I was just being nice, ma.
Nice for your head. Yeah, take this into the car, you stupid boy.
Sorry.
Stop what? Are you mad?
Sorry, ma. Which airport are you going to? Is it local airport or
The
international?
one your father built. The airport your father built. See, this one, they are now teasing you. You're smiling sheepishly, opening your teeth. Listen attentively. You see this program you're going to, you better focus. Bring your eye down and study. Do you hear me? Shut up, I am still talking. Nigeria is not the London where you studied. Avoid small boys, especially local fowl like this one. Do you hear me? Yes. If I hear any, of course you know your sister now. You know your sister. This man is now teasing you, you're smiling. When you go there now, all these Ogwaja boys, area boys will be touching you anyhow and you'll be smiling. Let's go. Hey, now.
This girl is so beautiful. Chai. Achalugo.
Welcome back, ma'am. What took you so long?
Are you mad?
No, ma'am, not mad though.
So I'll have to horn several times before you will open my gate?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was having my bath. The weather is too hot.
The weather is too hot. You were having your stupid bath with my own water. Did I pay you to finish my water for me?
No, ma'am.
How many times do you have your bath in a day? That you had to keep me outside my own gate? I don't blame you, fool.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
It's time to have lunch.
God will punish you. Is that lunch that will squeeze your mouth there? Come. I hope you did not enter my house. I hope you did not enter my house.
No, ma'am, I didn't enter your house.
Because if I get into that house and realize you were in there, I swear to you, you will regret your first experience with me.
Ma, I'm a man of integrity. I can't enter your house, ma'am.
Integrity kill you. Just so lucky. I've dealt with him now. There was a picture there. My sister's picture, yes. Don't. There was a picture here, I'm sure.
Madam, is there a problem?
What is this picture doing on the floor, Echezona? This picture was hung there. And I came back and met it on the floor. Why?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know.
Echezona, you don't know?
No.
Is it not just two of us in this house?
Oh, that's true. Let me see the picture again.
Hi.
Okay. Madam, I just remembered. I forgot. Sorry. I wanted to drink some water, so I came in to take water. Then I saw the picture. I noticed that the picture is dusty, so I decided to clean it. But I forgot to, put it,
Wait. You wanted to drink water?
Yes, ma'am.
And you left your cubicle?
I don't have water in my
entered my house?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
To drink water?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was thirsty. Let me just drop the picture back.
Is this picture that I really took to bring your head? I'll kill you in this house. Stop. Idiot. Police boy. God. Hey, what has Mildred given to me? She brought this boy to come and frustrate me in my own house. Jeez. gosh, I jump and pass. I jump and pass this temptation. What is this? Hi, my sister's picture. This boy is trespassing. But it's okay. We shall see. Hey, Jerry baby. I'm so sorry I was dressing up, but I'll be with you in 10 minutes. It's okay. Do with me whatever you so desire. You know you have my mumu button already. Alright, honey, I'll see you. See you soon. Alright. Open the gate.
Ma, are you going out?
Yes, I'm going out. Open the gate.
I'm sorry, ma. Where are you going to, ma?
It's none of your business. I am going out and I'll be back in the morning. If you like, when I come back and horn, don't open it. Allow me to horn 20 times before you open the gate and you see yourself outside.
Sorry, ma. When exactly are you coming back? Can you give me an estimated time of
My friend, open the gate!
Oh, these people where I know from, they worry me,
Helen.
Oh, Bato.
Helen?
Hey.
What are you doing? Eh?
I say make I come help my guy arranging workplace so that today business go boom.
Oh. With this bandage on your head.
You don't they too pay me like that. I go even use and work safe.
Okay. Well, Helen, why are you doing this?
Why they ask me this kind of question now? You suppose not say when two people they on the same page, then they align. You're not supposed to ask me this kind of question.
Hi! Hi! No problem.
Today business go boom. Oh.
You don't join me.
Today
now.
Go make sense.
You don't join me. Now,
you know, say me I carry grace as I come to your shop.
No,
like we go walk with you no good.
Okay then.
This one the sweet too.
That's how we the sweet.
You know, say I know people get, but I just dey try. Hey, today go sweet.
Jerry baby, I'm home. Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Ma, you call me?
Oh, Eche,
Ma?
I need you to buy me contraceptive.
Contraceptive? What's that, ma? Is it a drug or... Contraceptive. Mama, what is it for? Is it for headache or is it for...
H1, just tell them P2.
P2?
Yes, they will
Contraceptive P2. Okay.
Contraceptive. Oh, my head.
Okay. Huh? Open this gate for me. What's your problem?
Oga, I'm in charge of this gate. Who are you here to see?
Who are you to question me? Come on, gate man like you. Open this gate.
Oga, you need access codes to enter this house.
Access what?
Where is your access code?
Are you alright?
You need a pass to enter this house.
My friend, open the gate for me. It's alright. I'll make sure you are sacked. Idiot. Yes, Emily. I'm at the front of your gate. Yes, your new house. And the stupid gate man refused to open gate for me. Yes. Okay, talk to him. Take.
Sorry, who's that? The commissioner of police?
This man, are you mad? Take, your guy wants to talk to you.
Hello, who is this? Ma? Okay, ma. I'm sorry, ma. It's for your own security, ma. I'm protecting you. I'm doing my job, ma. Okay.
It's okay, give me my phone.
All right, no problem.
Idiot, you should be sorry.
Wait. Madam said I should serve you this, sir.
Drop it there.
Sir?
I am not sir. I am Chief Collins.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Chief Collins. Do you want anything else?
What are you waiting for? Leave. I said go!
If you need me, I'll be at my
Go! How can she employ a handsome young man like this as a gate man? I hope she's not sleeping with this boy after taking money from me. It's alright.
Good day, ma.
Good afternoon. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay.
You won't walk your tire?
Oh, no. I am the owner of this place. I mean, where is he? He's the one I'm looking for.
Oh, my brother. He's not around. He went to the hospital.
Hospital? Is he sick? Is something wrong? Why is he in the hospital?
No, he's not sick. My father is sick, so he went to be with him.
Oh. Okay, can you give me the location of the hospital? I mean, I can find my way. Just tell me.
Is there any problem?
Oh, no. No problem at all. I'm a friend. I'm a friend. I just want to see him, that's all. No problem, okay?
Okay.
So just direct me so I can find my way.
See this road? You take it straight down.
Okay, straight down. Am I taking my left?
No, the name of the hospital is Family Love.
Okay.
So once you just get to the road, take your left.
My left?
Yes, straight down.
Okay,
yes,
straight down.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. We'll be fine. I'm a friend, okay? Okay. Take care of yourself.
Santi, find me. So we should find me.
Oh, please, can you just give me one banana, please? Chief, so when is your son, my prospective in-law, thank you, coming from abroad? When is he returning?
Chief Oji. Well, we're expecting him to come back in 2 months' time.
2 months' time. 2 months. Right? 2 months. It's just around the corner, right? It's not too far. It's not that far.
Yes.
Only that it's too far for us because we want it to happen now. Quick.
You can say that again, my friend.
Yes. You know, I want them to get married. Huh? So that our relationship can be solidified.
Exactly. Well, I'm just thinking.
This food tastes really good.
Wonderful.
You like it, right? I especially made it for this occasion.
Oh, wow. That's wonderful.
Chief Oji.
Yeah?
You know, Chief Collins.
Oh, excuse me. Please. Okay? I know what you want to say. But can you just allow us to enjoy this meal? We can just drop it. Thank you.
He's not finding this easy.
Who? Chief Clifford, please, can you just allow us to enjoy this moment?
Honey, I must be truthful to you. You see, Chief Oji, I don't like his way of life. I don't like it at all. He harbors grudges in his mind for a long time. Look at his son. He is long gone. He now minds and faces his business. But Chief Oji still wants to pull Chief Collins down. Is it not hatred? Imagine someone that wants to be our in-law.
Honey, you are correct. You are right. Oji is full of himself. And I've come to understand that he does things without seeking for anybody's advice. And that is not good.
It's not good at all.
It's not human.
I just believe we are doing the right thing for our son, Michael. I just hope so. I mean, how can Chief Oji compel 3 companies to pull out from the deal they had with Chief Collins? He still came here to tell you not to partner with him. Is it good? How can we inherit his foes? It's not done that way.
But he did not say that.
Can't you read the handwriting on the wall? Must he say it mouth to mouth that, please inherit our enemies, or for you to know? Someone that says that he cannot wine and dine with his enemies. That any of his friend that is dining and wining with his enemy is also his own enemy. So indirectly, he's asking us not to associate with Chief Collins. And we cannot do that. It's not good now. It is pure wickedness and hatred. It's uncalled for. It's not good, though.
Well, I think you are too smart to understand that part. But I will not relent in making sure that I bring 2 of them back as friends. I mean, we all need each other. And there's no need for all these flames.
Chief Oji has an unforgiving spirit.
I understand.
It doesn't go well with me. I'm not happy about it.
It's okay. Everything will be all right.
The earlier he changed, the better.
It's okay. It's all right.
Welcome, ma.
Thank you. I loved the way you scrutinized Chief. It shows you really know this job.
Ma, I've been trained to protect you, ma. I'm just doing my job.
Nice. Because if you had done otherwise, you'd have seen yourself in your village.
No problem, ma.
Anyways, well done.
Sorry, ma. Excuse me, ma. I'm sorry. I'm hungry. Is there food to eat?
What's with you and food?
Ma, nothing, ma. I just said I'm hungry, ma.
Or is it because I just praised you?
No.
You better be careful.
Ma, I was expecting the food. Thank you, ma.
Chief.
Yes. How are you? You're welcome. What are you doing here? My friend, get out! What is he doing here? Get out! Are you not hearing?
I'm here for her safety.
Which safety? Who told you she's unsafe? My friend, get out!
Please, Chief. The next time you come here, please come with your gate pass. Thank you.
This man is an idiot.
Chief, ignore him, okay? He's just a funny man.
No. What is he doing here?
Chief, he's from the company.
Oh, come on, change him. I don't like him at all. He has a very negative aura. Honestly, he's dubious and... It's that man, it's rude also. Honestly, change him. Yeah, he's too handsome.
Do I sense jealousy?
Of course.
Don't worry, relax. I know what your fears are.
You do?
Of course I do.
And then, I'll let me August.
Don't worry, just relax. Okay, sit.
Okay, it's alright. Yeah.
How are you doing?
My daughter, thank you so much for coming to our assistance.
It's fine. It's okay, Mama. We just need to be thankful to God for the provision of, the money.
Exactly. Of a truth, I don't know what we would have done without you.
It's okay. It's okay.
My son, you are here.
Yes, Mama.
Okay, since you are here, let me quickly dash to the pharmacy and get the drugs and other things prescribed by the doctor.
Okay, ma.
This angel here, who told me she's your friend, had already taken care of everything. Please, I'll be back soon.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming to our rescue.
It's fine. It's what I would do for a friend, You're my friend. It's that, you owe me lunch now.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
And I called you. You weren't picking your call. You were not answering.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. A friend called me that she was sick, so I have to rush to her. When I get to her house, my phone tripped off. I'm sorry about that.
Your friend?
Yes.
Who is she?
Oh, Helen, the Dikeh driver, the one you met.
Oh, the Dikeh girl.
Yes.
Okay, it's alright. I'm just happy your dad he'll be better, okay?
Yes, all thanks to you.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So how are you?
Lady.
Mom.
That lady where will go return her phone. The lady where me and you will go return phone will give you money now.
Hey, I remember.
Come on, your leg again. See the way they hit me, they tell me, oh yeah, sorry now, sorry.
I remember that lady. That lady will run me 30K. Chai.
How she now?
Hey, na better lady, oh. Hey, she try well.
A better one. She try, but me, I don't understand the kind way where she they take they come now.
I don't understand how.
The lady they call you these days, it's not I know they even pick her call. When she come in, she go ask me, where you dey? Who you dey with? What are you doing? You know this kind lady? And them they control people. This time me say, make her leave what they do, make her leave my workshop. Come they work for her. She's going to pay me millions. But I no agree.
You say waiting?
I no agree now.
Hi. You for agree first now, eh? Who go see milk say na person one suck?
I beg, this chop.
No vex. Na yeye adage. See, waiting I dey try talk be say, na who sugar go dey inside mouth, him go spit am out. Eh?
Some sugar where they see na trap them be. If you watch all these ants where they walk around, where sugar they won't go. Watch where you go see person where they wait for them to kill them. Is it that lady? No, all these kind of now they are type the control man. Come and wash plate. Come and wash clothes. Come and do this one. Where are you? Do this one. Even tell you to watch the other side. I don't want.
See, sure you know say you be my guy. I no go lie for you. Me, I go always tell you as he be. Yeah? You guys stay grateful to that lady. Because if not because of that lady, Pale, for don't die. That lady that save your popsy life. You guys stay grateful.
Are they grateful? But now what is she they want? Now I know they grateful for now. That's the way she want. I know they grateful. Or you want make her go?
Yeah, chop biscuits.
Bread and biscuits.
Mine eat your bread.
I
know they not side of it.
Baby, I would want you to make peace with my father.
Baby, I am trying my best, okay? You know your father is very heady. I've tried every means to reconcile us, but he remains obstinate.
You know, I just don't want these things to linger. I wish all this can just be settled.
That is exactly what I want, okay? But I'll keep trying. By the way, I think it's time you came into the matter. Why don't you help me? Talk to your father. What do you think?
It's okay. I'll talk to him. What I will do is that I will invite him over here and then prepare his favorite meal.
Okay.
I just pray he doesn't read a different meaning into it though.
No. I don't think so. Well, I am looking for my daughter. I hear she's still in the country and she has started her own business, a transportation company.
Wow, really? So IJ now has her own transportation company. That's nice. I'm happy for her.
Really? Quit that pretense. I know both of you are very, very close. You talk all the time. So just tell me where she is so that I can locate her. Stop pretending.
Come on, babes. I am not pretending. I haven't spoken to her for a while now. Come on, why should I lie? I have no reason to, baby. You know I'll tell you now. Hey, what are you doing here? Can't you see I'm talking to someone?
I'm sorry for interrupting, ma. I wanted to let you know that there's NEPA light now. So I want to know if I can switch to NEPA light or leave the gen to run.
Hi. This man is a complete fool. You are very stupid though. You are asking whether you should change to NEPA or you should continue running the generator. Are you not stupid?
Eche, why do you want to embarrass me? Eh? After impressing me today, I praised you and now you want to disgrace me? Just get out, get out, get out.
Ma, the NEPA light is low current. That's why I'm asking.
No, switch to your village people. Get out of here. Sorry, ma. Sorry for yourself.
Sorry, one more thing, ma. Is he passing the night here? I need to go for security reasons. Sorry.
This man is...
Just imagine.
This man is a fool. I thought you said this man was recommended by a reputable company. Just look at him, very daft. He was asking whether he should continue running the generator or change it to NEPA. Imagine him mentioning NEPA at this jet age. Do we still have NEPA in Nigeria? Eh? He said of public power supply. He said, oh, come on.
Maybe it's okay. You know, just ignore him. I think he just came here to get on my nerves. He just wanted to get me peace.
I don't like him at all.
It's okay. I'm here now. Baby, come. Let's go to the room. Never, you promised me money. You've not even given it to me. You're becoming really cranky these days.
Come on. You're breaking my heart.
You don't breaking my heart.
You don't trust me anymore. Come on, I'll give it to you.
You know, right? First, let's go to the room. Let me show you how much I've missed you.
Yeah, give Daddy a kiss.
Let's go. You bad boy.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for paying my father's hospital bill and my sister's school fees. Thank you so much.
It's actually nothing, Ikenna. I'm really happy that I was able to do all of that. It's fine.
Thank
really.
You. Okay, let me be going, eh?
Sorry. I know that what I want to say now might sound very funny to you. But I just have to say it.
Okay.
Ikenna, I like you. Yes, I really... No, I understand why you're looking at yourself, but I'm fine, I'm comfortable with it. I can, sponsor us, I'm capable of handling anything, financially or otherwise. It's just that you're an embodiment of everything that I've ever wanted in a man. I've rejected suitors. And seeing you're honest, you're sincere, you're humble. I just want us to date. I just want us to date, maybe like get married, but it's whenever you want it, at your own time. Please, I'm really serious. I need us.
Oh, okay. Let me go first. Let me go home and think about it, eh?
Fine by me. Think about it, it's okay. Wait. Just while you're thinking, just remember that I want to be your woman. Yes.
Okay. Like I said, let me go home and think about it. Yeah?
Okay, bye.
MD's wife is in the MD's office and she wants to see you now.
Okay.
You sent for me, ma?
Yes, I sent for you. There's someone at the gate.
Let me get it.
No, come stand there. They asked you to move. Stand there. You go and check it. Okay.
It's my job.
I said stand there.
Sorry.
You see that nonsense stunt you pulled the other day in front of my in-laws and my parents? Maba, if you try that nonsense again, and if the rubbish you did as much as spoil my relationship, I will wipe your generation. I will wipe your generation. You think you're smart, Abi?
Sorry, ma. What did I do, ma?
You're asking me.
I only told you that your friend was outside. I didn't do anything wrong.
Shut up! I will deal with you.
I didn't do any.
Huh? Hey.
You again?
Babe, you know this one?
Hey, what is he doing here?
Babe, you know him?
What is this guy doing here, babe?
Come on, babe, this is my gate man.
Your gate man?
Yes.
Interesting.